How to fill a shape with an image. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser and open Google Slides. Now here to enter the picture, simply go to image at the top and click on upload from computer. Now from File Explorer, simply choose the picture which you want to fill in the shape. Once the picture has been included, go to the crop option. You will see drop down menu beside it. Click on it and go to any one of the option. From shape you can simply choose any one of the shape, or if you want an arrow you can choose that. Now as you can see, that is how you can easily fill shape with an image. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.